everyone, you're going to need these 6 ingredients for this macaroni and cheese bake. You may substitute the ground turkey for ground beef, that's your choice. Add a little water to that, and then you're going to add your taco seasoning mix. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to check on that macaroni and cheese. It's done. Go ahead and add 2 huge dollops of sour cream to this. That's about a half a cup. And then you're going to fold this into the macaroni and cheese. Do not stir, do not mash. You are just going to gently fold this into the macaroni and cheese. Go ahead and strain your salsa if it is very thin and not chunky. And then we're going to start layering. Add your first layer of half of the macaroni and cheese. Then add the ground turkey and taco seasoning mixture. Then you are going to add the cheese, just a light layer of cheese here. Next, we are going to add the salsa, and that is a small jar of salsa. Use the whole jar, spread that around. And next, we're going to add the other half of the macaroni and cheese and sour cream mix. Then go ahead and crush your tortilla chips. These are left over from our favorite Mexican restaurant, and we have preheated that oven to 325 degrees. We're going to put this in there for 35 minutes, and look at it. Oh, this is so good for all you macaroni and cheese lovers out there, and if you like your food a little spicy, this casserole you cannot go wrong with. This is a family favorite. Yum!